we learn how to use grouping of row in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some large data. Here you see the total row in this data 9995. So I'm using here grouping to hide some data, hide some row. So I just select the row 4 to 17 and just go to the data tab. In outline group, you see the group option. Just click on it. Here you see after click the group option in left side, you see the one line and minus sign. When you click on the minus sign, the data will hide those you selected. And when you click on the plus sign, the data will unhide. Same as when you click on the first number, the row will hide. When you click on the second number, the row will unhide. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.